Got more now on this search effort for the missing submersible that's in the Atlantic as a desperate attempt is made to try and find those on board. It's understood the SOS, or the banging noises that have been made by those on board, have been picked up at 30-minute intervals.
It is vast and frequently hostile, a friend and adversary to everyone on this island.
Look at the iceberg.
No one in Newfoundland underestimates the task now faced by search and rescue teams as they attempt to locate the missing submersible. A Canadian patrol plane has picked up sounds in the search area. These noises registered on sonar buoys. But at the moment, the experts haven't been able to identify them. Yet, it has provided a glimmer of hope as rescue teams move specialist equipment into the area. A sophisticated deep-sea submersible provided by the US Navy loaded onto this ship overnight. It will join more than a dozen ships and submersibles scouring the area, with the operator of the missing vessel's supply ship, the Polar Prince, saying they're still optimistic.
The Polar Prince lost contact with the submersible on Sunday morning. I mean, realistically, how optimistic are you that you will find the submersible and rescue the men on it?
The equipment that's been mobilized for this is the finest in the world, the most capable in the world. We have to hold out hope. I think, as you're aware, there's still life support available on the submersible, and we'll continue to hold out hope until the very end.
If the 5 men on Titan are still alive, their fate may rest in the hands of crew member Paul-Henri Najolet. A highly experienced mariner, he's visited the wreck of the Titanic some 35 times, and we tracked down a man who knows him well. Jose da Silva captained the supply ship on one of his missions.
He's very experimented.
Da Silva says he's unflappable. Once his submersible got stuck on the Titanic itself.
One time the rope was stuck in a Titanic piece, and we had to do a lot of maneuvers to be able to bring the hub back to onboard ship.
The North Atlantic can be a formidable foe. The depths and tides frighten most Newfoundlanders.
This is a challenging place to conduct a rescue operation. It was when the Titanic sank, and it still is now. One official told us it's like looking for a needle in a moving haystack.
If the submersible is intact, they won't have much oxygen left. But nobody on this island is giving up.